Are you struggling to have leads for your business? Are you struggling to have consistent leads for your business? Are you looking for scale up your business at next level? Hi, this is Jayant from India. I have vast experience of more than 10 years as a digital marketing consultant. I help brick and mortar businesses like yours to generate consistent leads for their businesses using my proven G3 strategy. G3 stands for Google, Google My Business, and Google Ads. No matter whether you are running a plumbing, painting, roofing, and any other home improvement businesses services. This strategy works for everyone. I did lots of projects with my previous clients. Those are mostly from USA. And at the end of this free webinar, you can walk through my previous case studies and testimonials. Now, let's get started. How my G3 strategy going to scale up your business in 2024. Google is one of the largest search engine of the world, which covers more than 80% of search traffic over the internet. Check out these keywords as search examples. So now I'm going to give you the example of perfect Google My Business page as well as Google Ads and what kind of websites are good for your businesses. Just go to the suppose we are finding plumbers near Florida. Now see, so these are the company, they have full-fledged website and they have also a Google My Business page. These are the business pages. Just go to more businesses. Now see, they have all the information about their businesses like website, directions, call. So this can be their website. So idea is that you must have a website to promote your business. Either you are a plumber, either you are a carpenter, either you are a electrician, either you are a power washing business, associates, any field. So first step is that your website should be there and website should be on Google. Now just take some other example like interior designers near Florida. Okay. Again, these are the companies which are already having the website, and this is the Google My Business page. Just open this page and let's see. So this is a perfect example of Google My Business page. So if you do not have Google My Business page, then start creating today itself. It's very important. Now this company have website as well as phone number. So just make sure what kind of website they are. So again, very nice website and everything is very crystal clear. So first step is that you need to have your website. Second step is that you need to be listed on Google My Business page so that your potential prospect can communicate with you. Third step is that you need to grow your Google My Business page by adding reviews, by adding services, adding photos, adding updates. So now let me show you what kind of ads are showing. Now see, if you go to find plumbers near Florida, then these are showing a sponsored ad, and this is the call only ad. So if someone is looking for plumbing services, they will immediately call back to us and they can book the appointment to close the deal. Again, this is also a sponsored ad. Now I want to just add some other things like power washing business, power washing, best power washing services near in Florida. Now see, if you are targeting the power washing services in Florida, these kind of ads are already showing, like a sponsored ad, Pensacola cleaning services, Pensacola power washing services, pressure washing services. So these are a sponsored ad. Okay, this is very clear that these are a sponsored ad. So if you want to grow your business, you have to have your website, you have to have your Google My Business page, and you have to have utilize your Google Ads coupon, and also leverage your business by utilizing Google Ads services. Let me show the coupon. Okay, Google Ads coupon in USA. Just check out. Here is a clear message to help you get started with Google Ads. We will give you $500 ad credit, and when you spend $500, so it means that once you spend $500, then Google will also give you the additional $500 to test your campaign. This offer is valid for all. So I hope you understand. If you are able to make your business top of the search engine, then it's very easy to get noticed by the potential customer if they are searching like painters near me, plumbers near me, or interior designers near me. So in order to get noticed on Google, you need to have full-fledged website for your business. I'm expecting that you have a website, and if you are not having a website, then it's a serious concern with your business. Having a website is a mandatory requirement for any business in this current world of technology. Google My Business is the best way for the local customer who are looking to find potential plumbers, painters, or architects nearby you. This free platform allows you to get registered your company in local search engine so that the future customer directly book the appointment with you. Check out these examples as a Google My Business pages. In order to stand out from the crowd, either you need to have correct SEO strategy and content creation over the social media platforms. These things will take some time, and these are time-consuming process, but results are for sure. But if you want to take quick turnaround, then Google Ads can be the game changer for your business. I must suggest you to utilize the complete strategy of G3 along with leveraging the power of Google Ads coupon of worth $500. Then why you are waiting for? That's it from my side. Now it's up to you to take next big action in your life to scale up your business today itself. Before I'm going to end this webinar, let's get inside my previous case studies along with my testimonials. Before I'm going to end this webinar, let's get inside my previous case studies along with my testimonials. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions, any doubt about my webinar, feel free to write me back. As well as I'm also going to send you the exact proven G3 strategy ebook to all of you for free. Thank you so much.